the graduate certificate is a class called New Venture Development. New Venture Development is broken up into 2 semesters. Over the course of that year, we treat it like an incubator, but it's designed to take students in and really work on what are the biggest pain points they can possibly find. Then work through all the different strategies to kind of determine whether there's a business model to solve that.
So for entrepreneurs, it just allows like an incubator and a way to take new ideas and actually figure out if there's even anything there.
If you go to Google right now and just say entrepreneurial resources, there's almost so many where it's overwhelming. And so I would say with New Venture Development, MBA, the mentors that we've had along the way have helped guide us to which of those resources are going to be most beneficial for which stage we're at right now.
And then eventually they take that on to being able to pitch to investors and say, this is the problem that's worth solving, here's why our solution is going to work, in hopes that they can gain some version of investment.
And then beyond that, you have mentorship, you have pitch competitions. For us, we had all of those connections, which really led to us being able to explore what it is that we can do and if it's even feasible to do it.
And I think for me, it wasn't until after the program concluded that I realized like all the competencies that we had built over the last 2 years.
Multiple investors that we met that were in the MBA program with us are now investors in the company. So there's just that part of it alone has helped us form everything.
So it's beyond just a class. We're helping them really build out an entire business to be able to launch in the real world.